How to group objects in Unreal Engine 5. The first way is I select these objects and right click and find group. Here also have the hotkey is Ctrl G. Now we have a group, you can copy it, but this way is also have some limits. You can rotation this chair, so I delete it. And now I want to ungroup it. Right click and select ungroup. Here also have the hotkey is Shift G. I will tell you another way is I will add the actor. I will select it. Now I will drag this actor into a right place. Maybe here. And now I select all of them. I drag to actors. When I move actors, you can see all of the objects will move too. And I also can rotation these tables and chair. Yeah, I think this way is better than the first way. And next I will tell you another way is I use the blueprints. I select blueprints class and select actor. I will change the name. I open it. The next thing, I will drag the tables and chair into here. I will find this table and drag it. I will find the chair and drag to here. Also, you can copy this chair, Ctrl D, and rotation it. Complete. And now I find the groups folder, and here we have the group now. And if you want to edit the chair, you need to compass the blueprints to edit it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.